So hello guys, so today I'm going to show you the application that I've been using for a few days. Let me open that up. So this is the application that I've been using. This application is so awesome and it's pretty useful, I think, for most of the person that uses Linux or pretty much want to do some work, wanted to learn or write something, just take notes. And this application is pretty cool, and it's a whiteboard application. Like means it's infinite, so you can pretty much place everything anywhere, and then you can zoom in and zoom out. This application is really cool. You can see that I made this, I made this using built-in tools inside of the app. So let me open that up, and I used this line tool, and then I press shift, and then you can just press line like this, and then like this and like that. I created this one. This is pretty simple to make because it's just a box, and there's a lot more than to that. So there's a free form, you can just write and stuff, and then you can create box, and just this is all just normal thing. But the thing about this application is this is offline. I used to use in Windows, there's a Microsoft Whiteboard. So when I switched to Linux, pretty much I have still Windows dual boot. I kind of used Excalibur, not the web version. The web version I don't like it because it's a web, and I just don't like the web. I don't know why. And then I kind of searched a bit, and then I found Excalibur on the VS Code. So you can download Excalibur extension on VS Code, and then you can just kind of use it like offline version, and then you need to create this .excalibur. You have to create this extension to as a file, and then you can open that like Excalibur in here. So it's pretty not that good. It's not good. It's fine if you're just doing. And then there's another extension pretty much the same for Obsidian. This is, I kind of use it once or twice, and then I just don't like it because it's not a dedicated application. It's distracting. I want to take visual notes, and draw something, put pictures and do something. But this is just another application for taking notes. It's for writing stuff, and it's not for doing this while having that. So I just stopped taking notes, and then pretty much I didn't take anything until I found this application. This is Drawy, so you can download it on Windows, I think. I don't know how well it is. I will give this link in the description, so you can go. It has a Flatpak available, and you can download it there. And then there's Windows sub version here, and then you can just download it right there. I don't know how it works on Windows. I still never tried it. The another thing about this application is it's very simple, but it's kind of needs some works to be done. The one of the thing I don't like is when you hover over this application, right? So this arrow. So what is the key binding for this? No, I don't know that. What is the line for key binding for this? What is eraser? You can kind of guess it for eraser. You can see eraser like this, and then line tool, line like that, and then you can press like eclipse. You probably guess it right. It's O. Yeah, that's you can kind of guess that. But what about people doesn't have any previous experience with other softwares like Excalibur? So they wouldn't probably know that. So, and then you can insert images. I don't know this. What does that say? This something. Okay, and that thing doesn't work, I guess. Maybe this is a new application, I guess. And then you can have color schemes, and then keyboard shortcuts. If you want to know keyboard shortcuts, go into this, and then you can configure this. Go into this, and you can see that the line tool is bind to L, and the image tool is bind to I, and the move tool is bind to V, like Photoshop. So that's it, guys. This application is pretty simple and pretty useful, and it's just free. You don't need to pay money to get this, or you need to connect to log in to your Microsoft account, that connected to the Google account, to log in and use this. So this is pretty, this you can see that I also did this. This is the circles, and then this is a circle without what do you call a fill, without a fill, and then you can see that this is a circle that with the fill. and then I just kind of organized it. And then one more thing I didn't show you is that, you know, you can actually let me open this line, black line, 4-stroke. Let me create this box. You can actually create this using box tool, but I'm just going to show you this. So you can see that you might think when I created the box, I want to move it, but it doesn't move like that. It's consist of lines, you know, it's consist of lines. So to make it into a one object, you can select this all, and then you can press this icon, and then it will create it will become one object. See, you can move it, and then you can transform it, and then you can transform it like this. So now it's like acting like one object. What if you want to do undo that? So you can click right there, click on undo, and then move it like this. So this is pretty much in Excalibur and all that stuff. So this application is pretty useful, and it's free, so just download it. You know, you might need someday, just download it. Here is the link for that. So apps.kde.org, and then Drawy. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to me, and then I will post some videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.